Okay, so this question, whoops, says, find the infinite sum of the geometry with A1 is 3, R is 4, 7 if it exists. So what are they talking about? Well, they're saying A1 is 3 and R equals 4/7. And it's the infinite sum of the geometric sequence. So if you look in the formulas, here we go. See the S sub infinity there? See that little infinity? Infinite sum. Infinite sum. It says for a sum of an infinite number of terms may only be used when R is between -1 and +1. When R is outside of that, the infinite sum diverges. Okay, so there's the formula. S sub infinity is A1 over 1 minus R. Okay. So S sub infinity is A1 over 1 minus R, but only may only be used when R is between -1 and +1. Well, what's R? Here's -1, here's +1 on the line, here's 0, right? So where's R? R's 4/7. Where's 4/7? Well, it's about like right there. It's, it's a little more than a half. I guess I did a little shy of a half, but anyway, whatever. It's about right there. It's certainly, between -1 and +1, right? If you said I ate 4/7 of the pie, that's less than one whole pie, isn't it? So is R between -1 and -1, -1 and +1? Yes. So so that means it's okay to use the formula. Do you understand that from the notes? Let me go back again. Let's go back and make sense of this for you. This formula may only be used when R is between -1 and +1. If R is outside of that, then you can't use the formula and you just say the infinite sum diverges. You don't use the formula at all. You're not allowed to in that case, and you just say diverges. But in our case, we're allowed to use it because our R value, 4/7, is between -1 and +1. About a half. Yeah. So we can use the formula. So let's use it. What's going to be A1? Well, that's 3. Oh, over 1 minus R. What's R? 4/7. Okay. You can probably just hit the buttons on your calculator. I'm just going to get a fractional answer. I don't know if they want what they want. I'm just going to get a fractional answer. 3 over. Now, what do you do with that 1? You make it 7/7. Huh? You with me? See how I made that 1 into 7/7? That's still just 1. And now this will be 3 over 3/7. Well, I made that big bar there. 3 over 3/7, right? 4/7 minus 7/7 minus 4/7. And now you grab this guy and you flip him up. So it's 3 times 7/3 because dividing by a fraction is multiplying by the upside down. Okay. And then that 3, that becomes 3 times 7/3, and you put that over 1 because a whole number is interacting with a fraction over 1. Cross cancels. 7 over 1, or just 7. So the answer is 7. The infinite sum there is 7 on that question. So there we go.